Hi all, today we are discussing about essential functions in Excel for data preprocessing. Firstly, we are talking about Excel. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program from Microsoft and component of its Office product group for business applications. Microsoft Excel enables users to format, organize and calculate data in a spreadsheet. Next, we are talking about what is data preprocessing. Data preprocessing, a component of data preparation, describes any type of processing performed on a raw data to prepare it for another data processing procedure, which means we are collecting raw data from various sources and cleaning. Today we are discussing 5 functions for data preprocessing. First one, if function. Second, trim. Third, concatenate. Fourth is text. And fifth one is sum. First, we're talking about if function. This function checks a condition and returns a specified value accordingly. For example, the function checks a condition is 2 greater than 3. If the condition is true, then the function returns 2 greater than 3. Else it returns 2 lesser than 3. Here we have a simple exam for if function. We want to check the students were passed or not. Students below 40 is failed and more than 40 were passed. We want to check this. So firstly we want to equal symbol function if. Then we want to select the column, the first column. Then we are or equal, sorry, greater than symbol. Then select condition 40 and comma, the first condition failed, and put in inverted comma, and comma again. The next if condition, select the same column, then symbol 40 comma, next condition closed, and close the bracket were opened. Press enter. Matthew passed. You can simply drag it down. Can show all the students. This one student is failed because he got below 40 and all other were passed. Trim function. This function removes the leading and trailing white spaces from the string. For example, here we can see there are so many spaces between the first name and last name. We want to remove that. Matthew, Tom, Thomas, Francis, there are so many spaces. So we want to remove the blank spaces. So we are using trim functions. The trim function. different function. Just click the columns 1 to 3 and close the columns. Tap enter. Here we can see Matthew, Tom, Thomas, Francis, Alan, Augustine. All the names were arranged correct and the blank spaces are removed. Average functions. The average function focuses on calculating the average of selected range of cell values. We can see an example. Here we can check the average of these marks. First we are taking the Matthew Tom's mark. So select the average column equal function average and select the mark column, rows. Close the bracket and the average mark of the first student is 64. Then we can drag it down and see those. Next one is text. This function is returns true if the given input is a string or text, else return false. Let's look at an example. Here we can see numbers and names. So we can check it out. Text function equal is text. Select a string, close the bracket, and it's a true because of this is a string. Then we can check a number. Another column, we can check a number equal select this column, it's a number, and close the bracket. False because it's not a text or a string, so it's false. Sum function. The sum functions, as the name suggests, give the total of selected range of cell value. It performs the mathematical operation, which is addition. Now let's look at example. Here we can add the marks of the students, mark 1 and mark 2, to get the sum of total. So we can add equal function name sum, select the column, close the bracket, and here mark 1 50 and mark 2 46, so we get 96. And we can find the others, simply drag this down.